Pleasure. I'm showing that closed, but I'll double check on that for you.
Approach Cherokee 04, staying high, good risk inside.
SFRA 0 Foxtrot Tango, there's traffic inbound ahead of you and in the pattern. Change to advisory approved, and squawk 5170 you're in the pattern.
51701 established in the pattern, and frequency change approved, and we'll look for the traffic. Thank you, 80 Fox Tango.
Gorski 6 Hotel, you're outside of the SFRA, you can squawk via
So 7.5. Montgomery traffic Cherokee 0 Fox Tango is 7.5 miles for the north, going to make a 45 for left, downwind 14 Montgomery.
Traffic Cherokee to Whiskey Fox, 5 miles on 45, and it's joined downwind 14 behind 54 Tango Montgomery. Whiskey Alpha is staying in the pattern.
Up 1,600. Modi team.
Number traffic 305 for Tango, best forward speed on the 45, 2.5 miles, 414 Montgomery.
Nice. Very nice traffic.
Base forward on 45 miles.
Whiskey Alpha, left cross on runway 14 Montgomery, looking for 54 Tango.
Montgomery traffic 1973 downwind, runway 14 Montgomery.
Traffic Cherokee 251 Whiskey Foxtrot, 3.5 miles on the 45. We're going to join behind 94 Whiskey Alpha, Montgomery. One for third number 3054 Tango with field downwind, only 14.
Montgomery traffic Cherokee 0 Fox Tango is 5.5 miles for the northeast, going to make a 45 for left, downwind 14 Montgomery.
Montgomery traffic Cherokee 94 Whiskey Alpha, left downwind runway 14, touch and go, following 54 Tango, Montgomery.
שלוש בדאונווינד.
And Montgomery traffic.
שלושה בדאונווינד ואחד שמצטרף.
We'll be departing to the northeast, Montgomery.
Montgomery traffic 12973 base, runway 14 Montgomery.
One for third number 3054 Tango, that's downwind, only 14 miles on the 45, going to join behind 94 Whiskey Alpha, runway 14 Montgomery.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Jesus. Okay, everything's good. Get yourself the green. Everything's on. Montgomery traffic Cherokee 0 Fox Tango is 4 miles from the northeast. Going to make a 45 for left, downwind 14 Montgomery. Okay, descending 1600.
Before Alpha Tango, can you extend for departing traffic? No, they're really at 5 10. Traffic.
וואי.
טוב, פארו פנטי לא יהיה לי היום, נראה לי. Hell fucking.
Oh, traffic 207 dead, that's any crossing for only 14 Montgomery.
Montgomery traffic 960
אז טיפה כזה אקסטנד הזה ואז אני אכנס בזרימה.
Montgomery traffic 305 for Tango on a 2.5 mile base.
Montgomery traffic Cherokee 0 Fox Tango is 3 miles from the northeast. Going to make a 45 for left, downwind 14 Montgomery.
לוקח אפילו על צד שמאלה,
עוד
כי
צד שמאלה?
אנחנו, כן. אתה רואה, זה התחלה של המסלול השני.
מי בדיפארטינג traffic?
אקס-ריי מייק יש לך?
Montgomery traffic number
2907, צריך לבקש משת אקסטנד אולי?
Final runway 14.
כן, אתה מבקש ממנו. יש לי אותו בדיוק אמרי.
November 12973, could you please accept your upwind departure, like?
Roger, we will extend.
Thank you so much.
Montgomery traffic, Archer 94 Whiskey Alpha, left base, runway 14, touch and
אבל
go.
יש לי את האקס-ריי מייק.
אנחנו נכנס אחריו. Montgomery traffic Cherokee 0 Fox Tango, maneuvering toward the 25 for left, downwind 14 Montgomery.
האקסטרה מייק הזה עוזב את הפאטרן, סבבה.
כן, הוא עוזב. Coming Chef JK 0 Tango is on 45 for the left downwind 14 coming.
One contact number 3054 Tango, 1.4 miles, final runway 14.
Freeway traffic 78 Echo Romeo's left base 18 freeway.
Montgomery traffic Cherokee 94 Whiskey Alpha 2.5 miles, final runway 14, Texas, go Montgomery.
Whiskey Alpha, is that going to be a full stop or touch and go?
It's going to be a touch and go for Whiskey Alpha.
Coming Chef JK 0 Tango is established on the left downwind 14 coming. Yalla.
Traffic,
Gas and the carriage mixture from the top. So the one traffic in front of us. There's no issue but final and nothing.
Freeway traffic 78 Echo Romeo's final 18 freeway.
אנחנו אוהבים את הנאמבר הזה, אבל אין לי מה...
בסדר, אז תרחיב
נעשה ווייד אאוט,
Montgomery traffic 12973 downwind, runway 14 Montgomery.
Coming Chef JK 0 Tango extending left down for traffic separation. Coming. וואו אחי, יש עוד מישהו בפיינל ועוד מישהו עכשיו בדאונווינד.
Montgomery County traffic, Cherokee 251 Whiskey Foxtrot, 3.5 mile final runway 14 Montgomery.
3.5 mile final. 217 דלתא ממש כאילו אוף קורס מהפאטרן אחי. אני אחד...
6260, wait, 6 Juliet, exiting the traffic.
ויש לי אותו אינסייד.
Montgomery traffic 27 to dead south base, 3.5 miles for runway 14 Montgomery.
יש אותו אינסייד. אוקיי זה נמוך. Montgomery Chef JK 0 Tango is 3.2 miles, base 14 coming.
Who's in base in Montgomery?
Who's in base? Cherokee 0 Tango is left base 3.5 miles. שמע איזה בייס הזוי אחי, אני לא יודע מה קרה פה. אני לא מניח בינתיים.
Montgomery traffic Archer 94 Whiskey Alpha left crosswind.
One two 973, 3.5 miles, base runway 14 Montgomery.
Coming traffic JK 0 Tango is 3.4 miles, final 14 Montgomery. Let's gas and carriage mixture. Good.
Downwind runway 14, touch and go, Montgomery.
Okay, just okay. Okay, second flap. Excel gila dyan, failed malos. Going Chef JK 04 Tango 2 miles, final 14 McCartney.
Montgomery traffic 1297, fleet 3 miles, final, runway 14, Montgomery.
Okay, final flat, final check. Okay, so good, everything's confirmed. Okay, let's reduce our speed to 70 knots. Perfect. Bad tap is good, a little bit low. Montgomery Chevy JK 04 Tango short, final 14 Montgomery. Okay, vacated, we can land. That's good. Probably no factor.
Montgomery traffic, Archer 94 Whiskey Alpha, left base, runway 14, touch and go, Montgomery.
Do you have 1973 inside?
Very nice, on the go.
94 Whiskey Alpha.
Speed's alive. 60 rotation. Going Chevy JK 04 Tango is on the go, 14 coming. UI.
Montgomery traffic, Cherokee 94 Whiskey Alpha, final, runway 14, touch and go, Montgomery.
Last stop climb check. Here's on screen. I think it's on. So Chef JK, Jet Tango is left cross with 14, Montgomery. Podemos, ciao to.
9 Delta Sierra, what's your intentions?
Ani långt upp med Simons. Kör vi det första måndagen på nära down.
יכולת לטפס כי הוא 1000 מעלינו.
לא רוצה לטפס. 1 mil.
Freeway traffic 78 Echo Romeo's left base 18 freeway.
Montgomery Chevy JK 04 Tango left down with 1 from Montgomery. Trying to shift the people. Okay, your controls.
My control.
Your controls.